Hey everyone, in this short demo, I'll show you how to join a Parquet file and a JSON file directly within Pandas Studio, all inside a single notebook. We'll take sales data from a Parquet file, region data from a JSON file, which is stored on a Google Drive, and combine them to create a single enriched data set that can be published to ThoughtSpot and explored via Spotter or Lightboats. As a step one, I already have a data set which I uploaded into my report. Now I'm going to convert this data set into a Parquet file and then reading it back to a data frame. This helps simulate a scenario where you are working with a Parquet files coming from an external data pipeline or an object storage like S3. So I go to the Python, use this quick piece of code to convert the table which I had earlier, which is stored in the dataset 0, and converting it into a Parquet file, which is going to be stored in this data frame. So there you go, 24,000 rows in a table, 24,000 rows in a Parquet file. Next, I'll bring a small JSON file that lives in my Google Drive. This would contain region information, sales, and its respective sales leaders. Now, to show this is my Google Drive, and I have stored a JSON file right over here. It contains, as I said, the country, its sales region, and the regional owners, and it's a pretty short file. And I'm going to be using a public sharing to read it directly into my Pandas data frame. There's no manual download required. So in here, what I can do is copy paste another small piece of code which I have prepared in advance, and I'm going to execute this. What it does is that I've used a file ID, which is publicly available, and given it a path, and I'm asking it to read that data from my Google Drive and into a data frame, which is called data frame underscore JSON. There you go. I have my records over here. So now, finally, my next step is to join these two data frames into a single enriched data set. Before I'm going to copy paste this piece of code, and before joining, I'm just going to make sure that the join condition which is called the pave merge is joining on the right columns. The same attribute is called billing country in one of the tables in the Parquet file, and country in the JSON file, which is coming from Google Drive. So this looks good, and I'm going to execute this. And there you go. It has 24,000 rows now with the additional information of sales region and region owner, which came from my JSON file. Now this, I can export this as a data set. Let me call it sales data with region. I'm going to create a data set of this, and there you go. This is ready for analysis. And for the benefit of this use case, I'm going to publish this to ThoughtSpot, and I'm going to move this. I'm going to publish it to ThoughtSpot, and so that I can ask questions, or I can use this data frame to either power a live board or power a spotter session where you can ask natural language questions with this. So this was the data set which I created, and this is now published. I can ask questions like what is the total sales by region? And this should give you an answer, which is thanks to the join which we did in Pandas Studio notebooks. There you go. That's the demo for today. Hope you find it useful.